Last night we reached this place called Tully Memorial Park, and we're driving for about 2-3 hours through this Lindsay highway, and now we are about half an hour nearing to Brisbane. And we finally reached Styromax, the fiberglass composite panel. We've been following them on YouTube for a long time, and finally I've made it to their factory, and today we've arranged with Samantha to do the factory tour. I'm at Styromax today, and these are the fiberglass composite panels that they have. They are able to supply easy cut panels, whichever we choose, the sizes. Some of the very different specific panels meant for different purpose. Example, these are meant for